The first one out of the fresh water. Second one, this on the go is a grunt people. General out here are going with a great job, people, and guess what? Look here, people.
I bless the love it's tonight, man, Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Greetings, my beautiful people, my beautiful subscribers, my loyal viewers all over the world. Yeah, man, me out here again. But here I go, I'm just a forward on the scene, people, and yo, me say me book a real general people. Me hold the light and show you the general, me people, cause they done go on with great work, you know. And me have to make you see what I go on. Yeah, man, I general that. Yeah, man, my people, and me I tell you, say, yeah, man, they done out here, people. As you can see, I see settings, you know, people. Yeah, man, so general out here are going with a great job, people. And guess what? Look here, people. Look there. It's a shark that the general killing. People, me I tell you, say, a lone white meat that, you know, lone flesh that, you know, people. Yeah, man, look there, people. A nice 30-odd pound that, you know. Yeah, man, a whole heap of flesh that no bone, you know, people. Yo, that is it, people. Yo, right now, me say, me I tell you, me excited about that catch up from the general, people. Look on him good. Just take a good scoot tonight. You see me? Active, people. Yeah, man, and they don't know I done first catch that, you know, people. They know I'm not normal night. You see me? I'm just a forward, you know, people, so. You know, excitement to go on out there tonight, people. You see me? Yeah, man, me feel like I'll go and stay nearby General night and see what I go on. Like when you have such a bright light. Yeah, man, we had us work together in the night and see how the night turn out. So, see, you have some line set out the people. And you know the ball game go. Look like the fish them gonna be active tonight. As you can see, the water have a nice little play down there and all of that. So you know, excitement out here, people, and we out here do it right tonight. So you know it's a night epic show. Yeah, man, stay tuned, my people. That is it. Yes, my beautiful people. Second one, this on the go is a grunt, people. As you can see. Yeah, man, second one, that people. Second one. Yeah, man. I know it's an amazing catch, people. Yeah, man, nice grunt, that people. Normal people, me out here take my little time so I can catch, you know. Kind of difficult because, you know, fish them now bite 100 and more than one them, but God still have blessed me with 1 and 2 peeps. It's a joy and happiness, you know. That is it, man. We out here, people. As you can see, I leave sea now and made to this little water here, so I don't know if you guys can see the fish them jumping up inside of it. Yeah, man, crocodile water still in the leaves. I mean, a whole lot of crocodile is inside it and thing. Yeah, man, so I set off only could bait right down there, so I don't know if you guys can see it right down there in the water. The panel in there. So, you know, just go and stay tuned. You always see fish them a flip up to one and something. Man, crocodile water, my people, not true. You see me there so near to it. You kind of brave certain way. See me out looking, see me so one can zoom in and show me. Right now, I'm a little data tablet me I use right now. Yes, definitely so. You can purchase something for your little daughter and or your son, and you know, can get the use of it one night time when I even, you know, you need it seeing me. So it's a blessing, peeps. You out here. I see when I can raise out of the water. I don't know if you can see the fish. Kind of swim on top of the water. I bait them jar them here. It's a very small bait. Whenever I put on the other one, try to make you guys see. But if you know, tell her the truth, she will see me and left from me now have a portion of live bait. So I have to plan to go back. Go look a couple of live bait. But hopefully I broke my ducks. If I broke my ducks, yeah, that would influence me more to go, because you know, say from last night me out here and thing. You know, I try make it up back with this morning, so. Not saying that me no catch couple of fish last night and think couple of them no really get catch on the camera and all of that. Yeah, but peeps me out here, man, and trying to do my best, you know. Yeah, man, so that is it, my people. That is it, man. We out here, you know. Like always, guys supposed to see them a flip up in the water all about. Yeah, man, you guys supposed to can see them a flip up all about in the water. Looking forward for one of them to grab up a bait they down there, so. I don't know. Can celebrate. We're out here, people. There's a lot of tarpon inside here and snook and, you know, name them. Mudfish and all of that. In some place them call them rockfish. But whole different variety of fish there inside of here, see some long jaw, all different kind of fish. Yeah, man, so you know that's a vibe, people. We out here go and do it, you know. Yes, my beautiful people, the first one out of the fresh water. Yeah, man, as me tell you something. Sea water and fresh water me doing right now, people. Yeah, man, so stay tuned, people. And me take time, get out when I can get out tight and make up my little numbers in my bag. You see it? That is it, my people. It's a bony fish that's still in a but yeah, man, you know if you match up that well, Chris. You see it, people, so don't worry about it, man. Yeah, man, that is it. Look like you out for kick off on me, people. Or a slap, you want to slap me. Which one of them? See if kick off a do it. But in the pan land saying, alright, don't it? Alright, I'm going to put on the next bait and see what's going on, you know what I mean? DJ SWICKED vlogs out there, people. Yeah, man, not too long left out of the sea from last night. And they are trying to see me can catch too. You know, for make up when me catch last night. So, you know me do it already, people. Yeah, man, active like always, people. If you look good, you can see where them a jump up out there in the water. Yeah, man. Boat way. Two side the water, there in a crocodile water, you know. Yeah, man. So we active out here, people. Yeah, man. Blackish water this way there, you know. Active. As you can see, people, them look sleepy. Yeah, man, look like they all a swell from last night me outside, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know that's a vibes, people. And we active, you see it? Yeah, man, so people, just go and do the right thing. DJ SWICKED vlogs there. Yeah, man, and them look away, people, so yeah, man, about to go get a fresh, you know, and clean up myself and you know. Yeah, so catch you know when them fish are fried, seen and prepare up. So love you know. Peace out sooner or later.
You hear me? Raz Vital don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ SWICKED vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not did it. Up full, Raz Vital. Aye.